In this video, I will show you how to edit Instagram Reels after posting. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to go to our profile icon and search for a reel. Let's say here, right here. Now, in order for you to edit your Instagram Reels, all you have to do is to click on these three lines right here and then click on Edit. Now, you can write a caption to your reel, or you can edit the caption to your reel. You can tag people to your reel right here. You just have to click on tag people. Let's say here. Now that person is tagged to my reel. Next thing is you can edit the reel itself and add picture from camera roll. You can also pin a location to your reel in order for you to specify in which location it is located. Now in advanced setting, you can also enable closed caption. For viewers who turn them on, will be able to see auto-generated captions. Now once you're done, all you have to do is to click on check. And that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!